Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to another beautiful video from Kenya, East Africa. In today's video, I want to take you through into another big project here in Kenya 2026. That is the construction of railway station at Nyayo International Stadium with a new railway line connecting Nyayo Stadium and Talanta. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenya Railways is constructing a new railway station near Nyayo National Stadium alongside a dedicated spur line connecting Nairobi Central, Kibera and the upcoming Talanta Sport City. The project is a key infrastructure development designed to ease traffic congestion and transport funds smoothly during the 2027 African Cup of Nations (AFCON). Key details to be noted down concerning the construction. 1. The railway will feature a brand new meter gauge spur line running from the Nairobi Central Business District (CBD) through Nyayo Stadium and Kibera, terminating at Talanta Sport City. The existing railway line connecting the CBD to Nyayo Stadium will also be utilized. 2. The construction of new railway line, primarily spearheaded to guarantee safe, reliable and affordable transport for match attendees. It is meant to ease massive traffic pressure on Nairobi's road network during continental tournament. 3. While the immediate catalyst is AFCON 2027, the station and railway upgrades are planned as long-term asset to modernize the Nairobi commuter railway service. Finally, the site clearing, perimeter wall construction and material staging have officially commenced along the railway corridor to ensure deadlines are met ahead of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the new railway network will integrate seamlessly with other urban transport modes to provide a reliable travel experience for sport fans and daily commuters.